Well, children, uh, she gathered a few sheets of fine paper, tore them into the pieces from her father's bedroom and put it in the pin cushion. Okay, now children, actually these sheets belong to her father. He had written a speech which he has to give next day. Okay, and some important speech was there which he was supposed to deliver. Well, children, next day when he came from the office, he started finding to revise that speech. That night there was a hue and cry in the house, children, because father has prepared that speech with a for the port authority, and that speech, that paper had been lost. Rooms were searched, everywhere in the house was searched, servants were caught and they were questioned. Father went to Kezia's room and asked her about them. Kezia did not father, mother went to her room after searching everywhere. She went to Kezia's room and she told Kezia, okay, that did you have you seen those paper? And what did actually Kezia replied? Kezia replied, yes, I have taken those paper, torn into pieces and put it in the pin cushion. When her mother heard this, she straight away went to her father and told everything about Kezia. When his father heard this, he was very angry. He came and father asked Kezia to come in the drawing room. He was very angry. He was pacing to and fro. Kezia was greatly frightened. He asked Kezia if she had done that. She whispered. Father asked mother to go to Kezia's room and fetch those torn paper. Meanwhile, he asked Kezia to hold out her hand. He beat her on her hands. He did so to teach her not to touch anything which belongs to anybody without their permission. So this punishment was given to Kezia. Well, children, when Kezia got the beating, okay, she wanted to tell to her father that she has prepared that pin cushion for his birthday, but he did not listen to her, and Kezia was beaten on her hand. Hours later, grandmother had wrapped Kezia in a shawl. She clung to her when she was being rocked in the rocking chair. She sobbed, what did God made father for? And children, she was so upset that she has to tell her grandmother that why did God made father? For what did God made father for? Well, children, that day was one of the saddest days for Kezia. Now next day his father leave for the office. Kezia goes outside in a lawn, and children, the McDonald family who were there, who was the neighbor of Kezia, they lived next door to Kezia's house, and children, McDonald's were having 5 children. A father played with the children, and children, Kezia, she was looking through that hole. She was looking through that. There was a hole in the fence, in the boundary wall, and children, she was not able to believe that such a type of fathers are also there who play in a very nice manner with their child. So children, she was not able to believe, but then finally she believed it. Kezia's mother and grandfather in the meantime, children, Kezia forgot all this thing, and the day she comes back to her daily routine. One day, children, Kezia's mother, she fell ill. She was so ill that she had to be hospitalized, and children, it was decided that grandmother will go with her in the hospital to take care of her. So both mother and grandmother, they have left. Kezia was all alone with Alice, the cook. Kezia asked Alice what would happen if she had a nightmare, but Alice asked her to sleep and not to scream and not to wake up her father. So she was very much scared. I think I've told you, children, Kezia, she used to have nightmare. She used to have nightmare, and her she asked Alice if she will have that nightmare again, and if she will shout, then Alice told no, it would wake up her father, and he will then again you will be in trouble. Well, Kezia was sleeping alone without her mother and grandmother. She was really scared that day, but finally she went to sleep. And children, she saw a butcher with the same nightmare came to her. What did she see? She saw a butcher with a knife and a rope in her hand. He came near Kezia, but she could not move. She screamed and woke up father. Father came to her bed. He asked her what was the matter. After hearing her, he took Kezia with him. Now children, for the first time, it was Kezia who realized that her father is not so bad. He is really caring, and that's why he had taken her to his bed in his bedroom. Well, Kezia father lay down beside her. Kezia crept close to him because she was really scared with that nightmare. He asked Kezia to rub her feet against his legs to get them warm. Kezia felt a funny thing. She thought that her father was harder than grandmother, but it was a nice hardness. Every day he had to work harder and was so tired to be Mr. McDonald. He cannot be Mr. McDonald because he used to work very hard. He was spending a lot of time to earn for his family and children with long duration. He used to work very hard, and when he used to return in the evening, he used to get very tired. So he cannot become he cannot play with Kezia like Mr. McDonald. Well, children, now Kezia also realized that she was the one who had torn her writing. She stirred. Father asked what was the matter. Kezia told her that her head was on his heart. Children, for the first time, she gave a nice compliment to her father that he had a big heart which was beating. Now children, what do you know by a big heart here? Big heart here means, children, it was a heart, okay, which was having a hidden love for his family. That's why he used to work hard, and it was a heart which was so caring, which Kezia realized for the first time when her father took her away, when she had seen that nightmare. This proves that her father was not so harsh or cruel-hearted person as Kezia was thinking about her. Okay, so now we will do the question and answer, students. So first question, textual question. Why was Kezia afraid of her father? Kezia was afraid of her father because he never spoke to her with love. He always found fault with her. Who were the people in Kezia's family? Kezia had her mother, her father, and her grandmother in her family. What was Kezia's father routine before going to his office? So the routine, children, and the routine of Kezia's father before going to his office, that he gave a casual kiss to Kezia. What was Kezia's father routine after coming back from his office? So his routine when he used to come back from his office, he would ask for the newspaper and tea. And children, what was his routine on Sunday? On Sunday, he would stretch out on the sofa, sleeping soundly and snoring. Okay, question number 4. In what ways did Kezia's grandmother encourage her to get to know her father better? She asked her to make a gift of a pin cushion on her father's birthday. Okay, now children, we are having 30 to 40 words question and answer. All right, so let's start. So here we are in question number 3. Kezia's effort to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did things happen? A very nice question, I feel. So Kezia's effort tried to please her father when he would ask her to take off his shoes. He would ask her if she had been a good girl. She would respectfully say that she did not know, but her father would imitate her voice and ask her not to stutter. He would ask his mother to teach Kezia not to do that in future. At another occasion, Kezia sat on a stool. She watched him. He was sleeping. Then he woke up and he asked her not to look like that. She looked like a little brown owl. Kezia stuffed her pin cushion with paper. These belonged to her father. These were very important. When she said that she did not do that, he asked Kezia's grandmother to put her to bed at once. And children, and that day he beat Kezia with the ruler in his hand. Question number 2. Kezia decided that there are different kinds of father. What kind of father was Mr. MacDonald and how was he different from Kezia's father? So, Mr. MacDonald was a different kind of father according to Kezia. He would play with his children, which she never thought in her dream that would be happening in her house. He would put the baby Mayo on his shoulders. 2 girls would hang on his pocket, and he would run round and round the flower beds laughing. Once Kezia saw the boys turn the boss on him, he tried to catch them laughing. He was different kind of father. Kezia's father never played with her. He always looked angry and harsh. One night Kezia was alone in the house. At night she had nightmare. She saw a butcher with a knife and a rope. He came nearer to her with a dreadful smile. She could not move but cried out. She saw her father standing near her when she woke up. Kezia's father made her sleep by his side. He asked her to her feet against his legs. Now children, now how does Kezia begin to see her father as a human being who needs her sympathy? So children, one night Kezia was alone in the house. At night she had a nightmare. She saw a butcher with a knife and a rope coming towards her with an evil smile on his face. He came nearer with that dreadful smile. She could not move but cried out. But she saw her father standing near her when she woke up. Kezia's father made her sleep by his side. He asked to rub her feet against his leg to get them warm. A funny feeling came over her. She thought that he was harder, but it was a nice hardness. He had to work and was too tired to be like Mr. MacDonald. He heard his heartbeat. She told her father that he had a big heart. Now, children, so these were the all important question and answer were there. Okay. Now, children, I will like to do some long question and answer with you. So my first question is, she never stuttered with other people, had quite given it up, but only with father. Who was she? Why did she stir only with her father? What telling did she have about her father? Why? So she was Kezia, the little girl. So who was she? She was Kezia, the little girl. She was afraid of her father. Unlike other father, he never played with her. He never showed his love and affection for her. He never spoke to her with affection. He found faults with her. He used harsh language, like when she used to look at her father, he used to tell that you are looking like an owl. She tried very hard to speak properly while talking to her father. It resulted in her stuttering before him. She did not stutter in the presence of other people. Once her father became very angry with her. He beat her with a ruler. This was too much for the little girl. She began to hate him more. In fact, he was not really cruel to her. He also loved his daughter like any other father, but he never showed that love to her. Okay, that love was hidden in his heart. Kezia realized that this is the end of the story. So children, then other long question is, why did Kezia's father beat her with a ruler? How did Kezia feel? How did her grandmother try to console her? Okay, children, this question can be asked like this also. Why did the little girl make the pin cushion? What did she stuff it with? What was the result? Did grandmother ma's board have any effect on her? What was the child reaction? So Kezia's father's birthday was next week. On the grandmother's suggestion, she decided to make a pin cushion for him. She did not find anything to stuff it. In the end, she found some sheets of fine paper. With this, she stuffed the case. Only later she came to know that these were her father's important paper. Father was very angry. He used a ruler to punish her. Kezia was very unhappy. Hours after, when the grandmother came to her, she was still sobbing. The grandmother said that her father was very upset that day. The child, however, expressed only her dislike for father. She was greatly afraid of him. Describe the departure from and arrival at home of Kezia's father. Kezia's father went for work in the morning. Before going, he would give Kezia a casual kiss. Then she would say, "Goodbye, father." The sound of the going carriage gave Kezia a sense of great relief. Father came back from work in the evening. At this time, the little girl would stand near the staircase. She would hear the loud voice of her father coming from the hall. He would demand tea and ask for the newspaper. The child would then hear her mother call her. On this call, she would slowly go down to the stairs. Her father would look at her over his glasses. The glance would frighten the little girl. Now she would stutter to his ordinary question. He would be angry. Due to that, the girl would fear him more. Kezia slept was one night with her father and changed her opinion about him. What was her opinion about her father? What change do you find afterward? So one day little Kezia had to pass a night in the house with her father alone, as her mother was hospitalized and her grandmother also had to go to the hospital to take care of her mother. Well, she used to have nightmare. She wondered who would come to her help in the absence of her grandmother. She went to bed with great fear in her mind. Well, children, bad luck. The night was there. Maid was there as usual. Kezia woke up shivering and crying. The father came when he heard the little girl cry. He took her tenderly in his arms. He laid her on his bed beside himself. He even asked her to rub her feet on his legs to make them warm. The little girl was touched. She had never experienced father's love like that before, and then she realized that her father is not too bad as she was thinking about him. He is also having a large heart. That means he also care for his family. Love begets love. She began to understand her father better. She felt that her hatred for her father had been all wrong by her. She lost the sense of fear that she had before. His strength was now a comfort for her, and she realized also that that day when she tore the paper and when she was bitten by the ruler, that was totally her mistake. It was not the mistake of her father. So children, she realized all this thing, and finally children, she decided that her father was not that bad as she was thinking. He was also not like Mr. MacDonald, but then he loved his daughter very much. Kezia decided that they were different sorts of father. How, which kind of considered better wife? Kezia found her father frightening. It was so because he always found faults with the child. Out of fear, she could not speak properly before him. She stuttered once. He was so angry that he even beat her. This made Kezia wonder why God made father. Then one day Kezia saw Mr. MacDonald playing with his children. She was astonished. She concluded that they were different sorts of father. Clearly, Mr. MacDonald showed his love and affection by playing with children, but Kezia's father showed it by working hard for her and giving her instructions. An ideal father should have a balance. He should play with his children. He should also advise them. So, children, with this, I have done long question with you. So student, one more question we will do, and then we will do some 30 to 40 word question answer. So Kezia was, this is a long question, okay. Kezia was crying. Her grandmother was away at the hospital with her mother. Her father had slipped into deep sleep. He did not hear the child crying. How would you conclude the story? Write a paragraph. So children, well, it was a very sad, so it's a nice question. Now it will improve your imagination and creativity, children. So well, it was a very sad situation. The dreadful dream was disturbing her on and off. What was troubling her? Was it the fear of her father or normal nightmare that everyone is frightened for? So it was that day she forgot the fear of her father. She was rather worried about her nightmare. The little girl woke up shivering in a state of panic. The same nightmare was once again troubling her. She was shouting out for grandmother Ma, who was not at home, crying desperately. Kezia knew her dad was at home. She mustered up the courage and quietly crawled up to her father's room. Will daddy get angry with me? Will he beat me? The girl was in a dilemma. She stood outside his door. He suddenly opened his eyes and saw her tear-filled eyes looking at him desperately. He felt a sudden ache in his heart. What happened? He asked in his hoarse voice. She stammered, I am scared. He was torn apart. He picked up his little daughter and hugged her warmly. This was the beginning of a new relationship between a newly awakened father and his little daughter. Okay, so we can do this thing. Then children, few question answer I would like to discuss with you. Describe Kezia's father as she saw him. So she saw him as a short-tempered, dominating and a strict disciplinarian. He worked for his family and in turn he expected everyone to obey his command and be at his beck and call. He was not able to express his softer emotion and was a lonely man who did not know how to interact or play with his only child, Kezia. Did Kezia's father appreciate her gift? Why not? Kezia did not go to personally give the pincushion to her father. Instead, her mother gave the gift to him. She had laboriously stitched the pincushion, but she had stuffed it by tearing paper which she had taken from her mother's bed table, not realizing these papers contained the great speech that her father had to address at the Port Authority next day. This greatly angered him, and he did not appreciate the gift as he had taken things that were not hers. Without permission, he beat her with a ruler, and she told her grandmother that what God made father form. This was her reaction. Now question number 3. Why do you think Kezia stammered in her father's presence? Kezia stammered in her father's presence because he was overbearing. He did not extend to his little child any love or affection. She used to feel that he is a very cruel-hearted person and a very strict father. On the contrary, he would beat her off him. This made her very afraid of him. Out of fear, she would stammer every time she came in front of him. How and why did Kezia's father comfort her to sleep? One night when she had a nightmare. Kezia's father comforted her to sleep when she had a frightening dream. When he heard his child cry out in her sleep, he came running up to her, carried her to his room and put her to sleep by his side. by just giving the comfort of his presence. She snuggled close to him, rubbed her leg against his leg, and calmly rediscovering her father, she went into deep slumber. Now, the next question, children. The next question is, do you feel father did right to beat Kezia with a ruler? No, he could have controlled his anger and listened to her reason. After all, she was just a child. He could have sat her on his lap and explained the importance of not touching things that did not belong to her. Kezia once saw the McDonald two boys turn the hose pipe on their father, and he tried to catch them laughing all the time. Father child bond is created with love and understanding, not by domination and strict discipline. Write a short paragraph on the importance of the role of parents in a child life. Now, children, this is, I feel, a very good important. Is a moral-based question answer. In your exam, moral-based question answer will also come. So, what do you think about the relationship between a parent and a child should be? So, a normal family consists generally of father, mother, sibling, and grandparents, uncle, aunties, and cousin if it is a large family. Otherwise, only parents are there. Whatever is the structure of a family, nuclear or large, it is very important to establish a close relationship between the parents and their children. Love, care, correction, trust, faith, the right and wrong are what one teaches the children. It is essentially the parents who have this role to play. Okay. So now, children, this type of question can also come as Kezia's father make a diary entry of the day you warmed up your little daughter, how you took care of your little daughter. So this you can do. Then what type of question can come, children? It is extract based question, which is surely going to come of 1 marks, like some extract from the book will be given to you, like let me read few extract. But it was for your birthday. But it was for your birthday. Down came the ruler on her little pink palms. Hours later, when grandmother had wrapped her in a shawl and rocked her in the rocking chair, the child clung to her soft body and she told, why did God make father for? Who is now, here is the question, children, and in MC this one word question answer, you have to write the sentence in full, not half, otherwise your marks will be cut. If you will write half sentence, you will get only half marks. So who is talking to whom in the first line of the extract? So how you will write? It is Kezia is talking to her father. Who comforted the girl and how? The Kezia's grandmother comforted and put her to sleep by strapping her in a shawl and rocked her in the rocking chair. What does pink palm signify? The pink palm signifies the tender hands of a little girl. Then how does the little girl expresses her grief? She expresses her grief by asking God, what did God make father for? She is wondering whether the role of her father was only to beat her children and not to give any affectionate words. Now, not give her any words which is full of affection. Now, children, one more example I will give. Okay. On Sunday afternoon, grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have a nice talk with father and mother, but the little girl always found mother reading and father stretched out on the sofa, his handkerchief on his face, his feet on one of the best cushions, sleeping soundly and snoring. So question number 1 here is, why did the grandmother send the girl down to the drawing room? So grandmother sent the girl down to her parents so she could get to know them better. Okay. Then question number 2, what did she see in the drawing room? She noticed that her mother is reading the newspaper while her father was reclining on the sofa with his face covered with his handkerchiefs and his feet on one of the best cushion, fast asleep and snoring. Now, what do you think the father should be? Where do you think the father should be sleeping? Actually, children, the father should be sleeping in his bedroom. Drawing room is not a place where a person should sleep. Find a word that means reclined. So here, I think children, not I think, but I'm sure the word stretch is the word, okay, which means reclined. So in this way, children, you can see then what is the name of the lesson. You can write whenever this question come, the above the lines are taken from which lesson. Okay, some lines will be given and it can be asked which the lines are taken from which lesson. So you have to write the full answer. There the lines have been taken from the lesson The Little Girl. The T, little L and girl G should be written in the capital letter in the inverted comma. Then children, this can also come like who is the writer of The Little Girl. So you have to write Catherine Mansfield is the writer of The Little Girl. So with this, children, I have completed the lesson. I have finished the question answer, and with this I conclude my video here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.